Hello and welcome to Pips and Tricks. So today we're going to talk about what time should you trade a forex market. So there's certain trading sessions that we need to look at. There's Japan, London, and New York, and everything else kind of goes in between these sessions. But these are the top three sessions you want to look at. Japan session opens at 8 p.m. Eastern Time and it closes at 2 a.m. London opens at 3 a.m. Eastern Time and it closes at 11:30 a.m. And then New York opens in between London 9:30 to 4 p.m. Eastern Time. The forex market is 24/5. It's open all day, all night from Monday to Friday. Right? But that doesn't mean we should trade all the time. There are certain sessions that we need to look at before we enter the market. So the main session we should be trading is London or New York. The session that we should avoid is Japan. Japan is way too long. It's accumulation session, so there's nothing really going on in this session. If there is a trend starting to build, I would say skip it and wait until London or New York opening. So Japan is this accumulation session where you're probably going to get stuck because it goes up and down, up and down, up and down, and it traps people within the sideways box. Now, once London opens, that opens at 3 a.m. Eastern Time. That's when you want to start looking into getting into the trade. That's the end of this episode. What time should you trade Forex? And I'll see you next time. Good luck.